Yeah, I'm here, buddy. Nope. Yeah. Come on, baby. Come on. You got it, buddy. You can do it, man. You can do it.
You can do it. That emergency button ready.
I like the area. You gonna change mode while he's riding?
Ooh.
You can't change modes while you're riding.
Did you dive that thing yet? I wasn't paying attention. I'm a bad spotter.
I think you should try the area video.
There you go. Come on. Yeah. I start up usually like way high so I can get it like centered on the screen.
Notification that says remote control stick.
I just ran over shit, I think.
Did it pop up like too fast to read? It said something? And
No, it says remote control, remote controller control stick error.
Great. Don't you love to hear that when you're flying? It's north of here. It's on the North Shore. It's up the Saginaw coast, all the way up to the end, the other side. It's another psych center. It's got a bunch of buildings and similar to this, but no tower. But their main building's pretty big.
Oh. I hit the ground.
No, I'm sorry.
Yeah.
Did I distract you?
No. I think the battery went.
You fall?
Nah, it's right over there.
Come on. I'll do the walk of shame with you. So you said you weren't far, man. I should have worn my boots. I'm glad it's all wet, man. Oh, he's losing me. Oh, I hope he didn't run it over. Hey. Not for nothing, but I would have considered that far. Yo, man, you said you weren't far. Oh no.
Huh?
Oh no, I thought it was busted.
No, the battery came out.
At least you got it.
Paulie!
Damn!
You got me too brave. But it's good. All right, I just crashed my DJI FPV drone. It looks fine. The battery flew out, but it looks good. Let me put a little gaffer's tape right here on my information because I'm gonna be sharing this video. There we go. All right, so there's a little gaffer tape there. So, found it all in one piece, a little wet. I wiped it down. Had a little dirt on this rubber bushing here. I believe this is where it dug into the grass before it flipped or whatever. None of the props broke, which was surprising. These things are very hard. They don't have much flex to them. So I was very shocked. I didn't even break a prop. I think the arms or whatever from that impact, I'm gonna stand by these arm bracers. I made a video about this and I believe it saved my drone. But look, it's all intact. I'm gonna go more in depth with the props. More than likely I'm just gonna not use these props, not to take a chance, just in case there's like a hairline crack that I don't see. Why just change them, you know? That's what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna change them. But I don't see anything else. I mean, I've been checking the arms and everything. Check this. Looks like a little dirt in there, but it's fine. Everything looks good, surprisingly. Oh, the ND filter did not come off. That was surprising. This thing is on there, and I do see a little imperfection there on the side right here, right about this area right here. I don't know if you can see that on the camera, but there is a little imperfection there. But besides that, everything looks good. Now the battery looks fine as well. This was a little wet, like I said, but looks fine. Now if you have a DJI FPV drone, you know that it's hard to take this battery out. Not if you're just pressing and doing the right way, but what I'm saying is for the fact that this battery flew out of this drone. Now if you plug this in, this makes it even harder to take out, because even if you press the locks, this whole attachment here is holding it in place. So, and this is not the easiest thing to pull out. So if you have an FPV drone by DJI, you know what I'm talking about. This battery was completely out, a couple of feet away from the drone. I found the battery first and I thought the drone was done. Once I saw the battery and I know how hard it is to take out, I thought this drone was done. But let's do a quick test. Let's just turn it on real quick and see what the gimbal does. That would be a good test. So, looks like it's moving and good. Look at that. I'm shocked, and I wasn't flying that great. I mean, I don't dive structures like that. You know, I was just messing around, going back and forth. But obviously I'm not good at it. I'm just gonna practice some more, and hopefully I don't hit the ground. But that's it. That's the end of this video. I believe Paulie was filming when I was actually flying, and I'm sure he's nice enough to share that. See you put something together. But the drone looks fine. I'll fly it in a few. With that, I'm out of here. Peace.